there is a lot of cameras asking the power providing based on AC24, right? Well, this AC24 is a long history because you see that the PoE technology, the standard is far behind the developing of the camera. So a long time ago, when they developed some high power PDZ cameras, they cannot find the correct PoE standard to provide the power providing, right? Because at that time the PoE is just 15 watts around, right? So they use AC24. AC power can transmit longer distance than the DC, because the DC power, when you feed the DC power to a long distance, it will lose power on the distance, because the electricity line itself has a resistance, right? So that's the background they use AC. But nowadays we have a lot of different kind of PoE standards, right? Especially we already have the A02.3 BP technology, which has 60 watts, and we have something bigger in 90 watts we already saw in the market, right? So really it's not necessary to use AC24 anymore. But there's a but. There's a lot of existing cameras in the projects. What we will do? We have the modules. We have the module to change the DC power to AC24. We have a DC48 to AC24, DC24 to AC24, DC12 to AC24. We have different kind of modules. So if you have project that is very special cameras asking AC24 and not accepting the normal PoE standards, we can help you. We can help you make the system. On the other hand, it's not that complex as you think. For example, we have an age span system, right? We can embed the AC24 modules inside our age span system and give any numbers of the AC24 output as you request it. So you can easily fix the job,